Hey guys, this is Kayla Pockner, and this is my site called Mama K-Puck. And I didn't know what to do at the beginning of this class, but I just decided to focus more on my family and my daughter as she grows up and hits her little milestones. And then this is just a bio, which is basically the same as the contact page. And I got this little quote from President Nelson, and it's basically 1 + 1 = more than 2. Super cute. There's a little logo I did on Photoshop. Under family. So eventually, when I add more posts, there will be a little bit more, like 4 boxes or pictures of posts, and you can click on those and see what they say. And this one will be about whatever we do fun outdoors, or I guess since I do. All 4 Pockners will be about my daughter and my husband and I, and this is the link, so I'll click on Riley's, and oops. Okay, so this is just about her crawling and video to play of her first time crawling and me talking about it. And there she goes. Okay, and then, and some more Christmas photos that my sister-in-law took. Okay. So, contact page. Basically, yeah, same as the bio. Just a couple of sentences, my profile, and the same picture and little quote from the homepage, and then my Instagram. If you want to follow it there, you can go right here and shop. These aren't really for sale, but I just did Riley's clothes. But this sweater, my cousin actually made, and he's been in a knitting mood and has like a trash bag full of baby clothes she's been knitting, so if you want something from her, I guess I'll let you know. So yeah, I just have images, zoomed up images to see the texture, and you can zoom up on that, and it's really done well. It's super pretty, and she makes beanies too. And that is pretty much it. On this logo, I did want it to say Mama K-Puck, but it just wasn't working out when I would make this header bigger and whatnot. And I guess the difficult thing was that I lost my site and I had to bring it back. I had to go through that, so I was a little bit behind, but I eventually got caught up in the week, and that was a little scary since I obviously needed it for class and possibly the future. But yeah, hope you like my site, and if you have any suggestions of what I should post or fix on my page, let me know. Thanks.